Hello, my name is Ibeka James Soyebuchi. I'm the production manager at Clintonel Advanced Engineering Center. Welcome to the E4I Academy. The Clintonel Engineering for Industry Academy, which is the E4I Academy, is a finishing school for fresh engineering graduates that equips them with skills needed in the industry to facilitate industrialization and drive local production in Nigeria. One of the benefits is after the training, you are going to have a high employability in the industry. We are also going to issue you a certificate from Autodesk. You're also going to have a paid internship after the training. And lastly, you're going to have a free accommodation for those who are not residing in Aba. The venue of the program is at Clintonel Advanced Engineering Center, Aba. The duration for the program is 4 weeks and the application deadline is at 5th of February 2023. The selected participants will be offered a free scholarship to participate in the E4I Academy. Courses we are going to take at the E4I Academy is 1. CNC Machining, which is a subtractive manufacturing process used to create molds and machine parts. 2. 3D printing, which is a manufacturing process for making plastic components. 3. Laser cutting and engraving, which is the use of light to cut through materials. Also, embedded systems and computer-aided design. Apply on this application link, and for inquiries, email or call us on this line. Thank you.